the unit I have here is our USB extender. This is a non-driver version, so this is basically a plug-and-play version. And also this is a faceplate or wallplate version. The part number for this is the R042-EXT-U-B-JP. And like I said, it's a wallplate version, so if you look at the heads, on these USB heads, it has the mounts for the wall plates, and these are the wall plates it comes with. I just haven't put it on because I didn't want to mess up any of the covering or painting or anything like that, so I didn't use it for testing. But yeah, it does come with screws and it comes with everything. So here's the units. So this being the non-driver has a limitation of 50 meters. That's what we spec it to. And in my test, I will be using a Cat 6 cable. This is the N201, and it's 50 meters. For my setup computer, I'll be using is a Windows 8 computer. As you see with the monitor, it's an HT monitor. It's a Windows 8.1 system. And this one, if you look at the two units, this is the transmitter right here. The transmitters require a B-type USB connector. So I have a USB cable, Type A to Type B, basically. So this is around 4 feet. So you plug that to the computer and plug to the USB. Once I do that, you notice the orange light will come up. And then on the other end, and also need to connect the Cat 6 cable. So once I do that, everything's all connected. The orange LED might be like flashing or slowly blinking. Well, that's fine. Now on the receiver side, here's the receiver unit. So you plug in the UTP cable first, and then the power. Once I plug the power in, the green LED will light up, the orange will flash briefly, and then it'll turn to like a slow on and off kind of sequence, like a fading kind of. It'll be like fading on and off kind of thing. But other than that, it's ready to be right now. It's ready to be used. So if you look at, here's a picture of the LEDs on both ends. Both green are on. The orange, it goes brightly and fades, then it comes back up again. And that's how this unit is. Okay, now that I have everything set up, I can ready plug in devices. So I have a number of devices I'm going to be testing first. First I'll be using is going to be this thing. It's a Passmark tester. It's basically a benchmark testing plug, USB 3.0 plug mark testing. But I'll be using for USB 2.0, so you need to plug it in. Now once you plug it in, this is where you notice the orange LED will blink again, and then it will remain solid. That means the device is plugged in and is ready to be used, and it can be used. And similarly on the other side, so on the test plug, you notice it shows the voltage coming out that's being received, as well as the speed. And the speed is 48 megabits. This is the limit of USB 2.0, and that's a theoretical number. Most devices cannot reach that fast. So, with that thing ready, I'm going to bring up the program for this tester software. Now, what the tester software will test is basically verifies if there's any errors, or verify if there's any break-in signal, basically. So, I'm going to be doing like a bulk transfer type, a loopback, and I'll just let it run 15 seconds. So you configure this. Here you see the configurations. I'm going to do random numbers to verify, and hit start. So basically what this is doing is sending a little bit of code from program through the sender to the test plug, and then from the plug back to the unit to the program, and it's verifying if the data match up. So here you go, I ran it at 20 seconds, it stopped, and you just notice, well, in this span of like 21 seconds, it went through 19,000 times, 19,000 read and writes, or sending information sent, and there's no errors to it. So that means this unit is actually this. There's no problems between the whole link. Okay, so now that's it on the end. Now I'm actually going to be using real devices. So I'll have a couple of devices here to use real quick. First I'm going to be use is a Seagate hard drive. It's a 2.0 hard drive, 3.0 hard drive, but I could use at 2.0 speeds. So plug it in. Again, Orange LED, wait for it to detect. Once it finishes detecting, the orange LED will blink really fast, remain stable, unit ready. So here I have, and you see if the unit actually does pops up. This is my, as you can see right here, Seagate backup drive, which is this item. And I could play a movie real quick off the hard drive. Here you see video playing, jump around, no problems. There's no like any freezes or anything like that. Okay, now when you close all that, eject this. Now the next device I'm going to be using eject that. Okay, so I'll eject this. And once I eject it, you notice the orange LED goes back to like a little slow dimming, fading, back to bright and then dim again. Now, next device I'm going to be using is something even, it's going to be a webcam. This is a 1080p webcam, which I'll show you in a minute. So I need to just plug it in. Again, once I plug it in, once it's detected, orange LED will flash, perfect, and then it'll be ready. Now, for this, I'll be bringing up the Logitech software. Here you see the Logitech software detects the webcam, which is the PC920. C920. Let me open a quick capture, and here I'm going to show you my settings. Right now I have set it to video, and resolution I set to max 1080p. And here you see it's like a video of what I have here. So, as you can see, video looks fine. I'm moving my hand. You don't see any lag or any freezing. It's a continuous smooth motion. So here we know webcam works also. So let me just close. Now I'm gonna go back to my last device. Unplug this. My last device I'm gonna be using is in this video is gonna be basically a speaker system. So plug in the speakers. Make sure it gets detected. Make sure the settings all correct. So here you see. Now I need to just play try to find a quick sound file. Here you see sound coming from speakers. If I hit mute, mute. So audio also does get transferred to USB speakers from our sender unit. And that's it for this test with the test for our USB Wallplate extenders.